Why do we get hiccups?
Tammy is playing happily until, something funny happens. Hiccup? Oh no! Why is my tummy jumping?
A hiccup happens when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, jumps by mistake.
So my muscle is doing a silly dance?
Hiccups can start when you eat or drink too quickly, laugh too much, or when your stomach gets a little too full.
Hiccup party in my belly.
When your diaphragm jumps, air rushes in and your vocal cords snap shut, making the funny sound, hic.
So that's why it sounds like a tiny squeaky toy.
Hiccups usually go away on their own, but they always make Tammy wonder about the amazing body she has.
Next time, I'll eat slower. Maybe no hiccups?